Yeah, we're on a platform in the middle of nowhere because we got utterly wrecked by creatures. So, we're going to have to rearm, re-up, and deliver some payback if we can even find where we were. Because our boat, if you recall, the bad part was our boat got stuck somewhere out there. That's Ark. You sometimes get set back, and it seems like you get set back all the way to zero, but it's not really the case. Because as you see, I've already got a metal pick. We've already got a forge and a smithy up there running. And it took minutes to do that. So it doesn't, you don't get set back as much as you think, but it feels like it. Because all of your stuff is out there. But there was nothing that I didn't make. All of it is stuff I made, so I can make it all again. It's just basically, it's time you lose more than anything, and that's kind of frustrating. Now, what's the chance that this stuck dude will stay stuck if I attack? A 145, not a chance. He'll just run away and we'll have wasted an effort. Again, as soon as you get it started, when you're making one, you only need... Yeah, words hard. Okay, now let's get the spark of powder happening. Make 42 movement speed, weight, stamina are the four in that order. Let's wood it up. Still leveling up. Stamina, I want to be able to run. Parasaurus still stuck. We should take it. You can get it. Shoot it. You got the arrows now. It'll get away. Oviraptor, huh? This is a wasted arrow, I'm thinking. Because it's just going to motor. And you can't shoot while you're running. I don't know who designed that, because yes, you damn well can. Yeah, nope. Like I said, it's just fast creatures like it, you're just wasting your ammo. I can't catch it. I need bolas to stop it from running, and if I had the bolas, that means I have surplus hide. If I have surplus hide, I wouldn't need to catch it. Oh, crap. Did you see that? I saw that. We're not going that way anymore. This way has become untenable. That looked like an Allosaurus. There's that dingbat still running around. Whoa, don't go over the cliff. Oh, it just got a point in our favor. Stop running. See, because this will fire underwater. Whereas a gun won't. If you're in water, it won't shoot. Stay in the water. You're slow when you're in the water. Yep. Yep. No. Stay in the water. Stay in the water. Ugh. Stay there. Oh, God damn it. Hold still for a second. Thank you. At least you listened. Come on, big hide. 33. Better than 0. That was just luck there. Don't dive bomb us and steal our stuff. Coming after us. Quick. Ha! You can't steal it now. I'm not holding it. You jerk. Ugh, I hate those guys. You know what? Quick. Quick. Divide it up. You're not stealing all my food, you jerk. Oh, it broke my fire. I hate these guys. They're such massive bullies. They pick on you because they know you can't fight back. Knocked the crossbow out of my hand, too. Pick it up! It's gonna kill me. Quick, get out, get under. Goddamn jerk, you want me? Come straight at me. I'm just diving out of the sky like a scumbag. No, it's just up there breaking all my stuff. And see, it will keep bullying you until you die. And with a gun, I could take it down. Because bang, bang, bang. This stupid one-shots. Yeah, I know. This is one of the times where for aiming console better. This is so janky to aim. Look at it just circling over where my stuff is. Bullet, I would have hit it. This is so slow. That was... See, it's just making me waste my ammo on this stupid bully. Knocks my crossbow out of my hand again. It's just a friggin' bully. That's all it is. I hate them so much. Bye. Yeah, and now I'm gonna eat you. What? It broke my box too. Look at all the stuff that it destroyed. One bird should not be allowed to do that much damage. Unfrackin' believable. The amount of damage that thing did. Throw those levels in. And get back to what we were doing. Make ourselves a little bit of clothing. A little bit of armor. Like, it'll be 60 armor as opposed to 0, I think. Or maybe 30. I don't know. Stamina's up to 200. Level 41. I don't think there's anything up there that we care about still. Okay, so we're going to take this. I'm going to put that in my main weapon slot. Then I'm going to take this and put that in my tranquilizer weapon shot. Then I'm going to put these away. I'm going to say, you shoot those now. So now when we pull out the crossbow, see how it's green on the tips? That's the tranquilizer. If we pull out the regular gun, bang, 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 bang. What the heck were we doing? Right, we're going to capture that parasol.